Vic, of course, you've shared in previous episodes of our program that you've helped out some patients in nursing homes and some folks, elderly, I guess, dealing with COVID and so forth. This one is from Mary, who has an elderly mom. She's over 90 years old. Mary's the caregiver. The doc prescribed an improper dosage of medication, which caused her grogginess, and she fell against a door frame, breaking one of her arms. She also has some severe bruises. And then Mary says to add insult to injury, the same MD fired her as a patient. What can they do, Vic?
Yeah. Well, there will be a potential claim against the medical doctor for the prescription. The problem with pursuing a medical malpractice claim is that you have to have an independent physician who practices in the same field to review the circumstances of the prescription and be willing to testify that this was a breach of the standard of care. And then you would have to file a lawsuit. The problem with this kind of claim is it will cost you between $30,000 and $60,000 at a minimum to pursue a medical claim like that. She has a broken arm, which is serious. She had bruises, she had some grogginess, but unless you can show a very serious permanent injury, it's just really not going to be worth it. It's kind of like owning a gold mine. You might have gold in the mine, but if it costs you $4 to get every $2 out, it's not worth very much to you.
Yeah, I love that analogy.
It's a
them there gold in them hills.
That's right.
That's really difficult too. Following on that same line, one thing that's difficult is to show that the negligence of the doctor actually caused the fall. So if this person was already treating for things, that she was already had grogginess or already had an unstable gait, you're going to have to show that this bad medicine or the improper medicine actually caused the fall. And that's very, very difficult. You're going to have an affidavit from an independent doctor.